Good Monday evening. It is December 18th, 2023 at precisealgorithmtrading.com. And let's dive in. This is our automated trading systems. This is the Dow futures. And this is today's trading. We'll have to dive into that to see if we had some winners and losers. I think we may have. So the 18th is here. A little back and forth. More losers than winners, and yeah, that's still nothing to write home about. We need to be getting, popping up here like one of these types of moves. So the Russell, which I still haven't really worked on the way I wanted to, but it's also in a pullback situation. And today's trades, there's two losers. The Nasdaq's been on a deep pullback. It probably is extended below this one. Maybe not in terms of percent, but I think in terms of dollars, but that's all right. And we're here, so we've had the 18th. Oh wow, they're all losers. So, but they're not big losers, they're just losers. So, we had a nice big winner there at the end of the day on Friday's trade. So, we are due for a pop, and it will come when you're not expecting it, and probably when the overall market actually does finally roll over. And something I wanted to look at, we're going to dive into first here. I didn't clear this out very well before we get in here. I got charts in the background, so it'll slow things down. But let's look at the VIX here. The VIX has taken a big turn to the, lower. And I know it's got a lot of lines on here, so it's a little confusing. But it is ready to turn back up again. And when it does, the market it'll go opposite of the market, and it probably will do it in a hurry. So let's flip back to, this is the S&P 500, and we've been in this nosebleed territory for a while. I'm going to use the futures, even though flipping back and forth is probably going to make a technical problem. Let's hope it's just this first time we flip over here. Alright, there we go. So we're up here at the 1272 extension. But still hovering in those highs. The Russell, we've started to pull down a little bit. The question is when's this thing going to be for real? Yeah. The Dow, same kind of thing. Really, all the markets are doing this. They're all hanging out at their highs. It is, Christmas week and the leading up to and coming out of, it's a pretty bullish time usually in the markets. You can't set your clock to it, but it's certainly a consideration right now. It could prop up the markets for a bit. So, and then oil, what's the oil do today? Looks like USO went up 1.4%. So we're hovering in this area. I'm going to look at USO because I actually got a signal today where I was considering buying a position. And it was totally off of the hourly chart. So it sure looks like the hourly chart's gone up 1, down 2, up 3, down 4. So that's not where I'm going to buy. I think this thing's going to hover around in this zone right here until we get a chance to possibly reverse. Gold. Little continuation move today. So we pulled up, pulled back, and started to move higher again with the recent uptrend. So we'll see if that holds. That's gold. And Bitcoin, BITO. It's in an uptrend and a little bit of a pullback situation. And yeah, there's nothing to really buy here, so, or sell in my opinion. So, all right, that's that. Let's flip to stockcharts.com and look at our bullish percent indexes. The industrials didn't move. The NYA up 0.52%. The transports didn't move. The NASDAQ, this is a point and figure buy signal, so that's what we've been waiting on. That's pretty bullish, up 1.04%. And that's interesting. Now that it's broken up higher, I wonder if we'll get a rollover, and I don't know. That's interesting. A lot of times that can be like, as soon as you finally break a zone like this, anybody that trades like this, they'll start piling in and then they'll roll it over before they pull it back up again. Let's just see it time and again. The SPX up 0.51%. The OEX didn't move. The NDX didn't move. So that's what you got. Again, it's probably going to be a light week as far as volume goes, and I mean there's a tendency to be bullish right now. So we'll hold on for the ride. That's what I got. Take care, guys. Good trading, and have a great evening.